Everybody always wants to pretend like they're a bartender when they're, you know, coming up to the bar to order their drinks. So this is just kind of a place for us to kind of bridge that and then also get to taste what we make.
You close the door. I'm Aerin.
Lillian, so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Welcome to Assemble Cocktail Workshop. Come on in.
Let's do it. Please enlighten us about this Assemble Cocktail Workshop.
Well, Assemble Cocktail Workshop is a place for people to come out for a unique experience. When people book a cocktail workshop, they can book a different themed night. So Thursday night's tiki night, Saturday morning I have a brunch workshop, and then I also have various other workshops where there's kind of something for everybody.
Cool.
So we handcraft 2 cocktails.
Okay.
The alcohol is reduced just a little bit so people don't leave here after just making 2 drinks back to back. Yeah, I'm trying to be mindful about alcohol consumption and, you know, the fact that they might be going to dinner and still want to continue their night.
Okay, so what are we going to be making today?
All right, today we're going to be making a basil elderflower smash and a passion fruit margarita.
Mmm, sounds yummy.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
So first things first, we are going to need to juice some limes.
Okay, there's so much pressure. I'm used to the handheld when I use it at home. Holy smokes, you'll see the effort, the muscle in this. I worked out. There we go. This is fresh, y'all, fresh.
Yeah, try to use everything fresh and from scratch. There are a couple syrups that I do buy, such as the Lieber & Co. syrups. That's an Austin-based company, and they make such good syrup. So what we'll do is we'll take a couple basil leaves here. We're gonna do a technique called muddling.
Okay.
You might be familiar with mojitos get muddled.
Yes.
So you'll just wanna drop a couple pieces of basil into your shaker tin.
It smells so good. I love the way that basil smells. I could eat it.
All right, now that we have that in, we're just gonna go ahead and give it a quick little muddle, just enough to break up the basil and just kind of release some of the oils into the sugar. All right, and now we're gonna add in our spirit. This is vodka here. A nice gin with like a cucumber essence would be really lovely. You can pretty much use any clear spirit of choice in this recipe. All right, and then we're gonna pop our mixing glass right on top. Give it a smack, and then we'll start to shake.
Sorry?
That's perfect.
So aggressive.
Give it a smack. All right, and then we're gonna use our Hawthorne strainer. We're just gonna go ahead and pour it in.
Mmm, it smells so good.
We're just gonna take a fresh sprig of mint and garnish with our lime. And if you give your mint a nice little smack, it'll release some aromas.
Ooh, it does smell great.
All right, and that's it.
Cheers. Okay, now for the taste
test.
Ooh, that's refreshing. Now I'm interested in like, how do you come up with the recipes? Like, what's your background and how did you come up with the idea of making this Assemble Cocktail Workshop?
I have been bartending events and different venues for quite a while. And I just kind of noticed that there was some space for improvement. And so I wanted to kind of elevate that scene. But then when I saw this cottage space for lease, I decided, oh, I should probably try to grab that.
I feel like it's a little educational as well. Not only are you learning a new recipe when you're coming to a class, but you're also really enlightened what goes into making a really good quality
Exactly
drink.
my goal. I wanted it to be educational, I wanted it to be fun, but also use ingredients that are local and perfectly in season. For our second cocktail, we're gonna be making a passion fruit margarita. Second drink, here we go. We're gonna take our tequila here and dump it straight in. All right, and then we're gonna use our syrup here. This is a passion fruit syrup made by Lieber & Co. everything that's gonna go in for now. So go ahead and get to shaking. All right, and on this one, we're not gonna strain because we actually want the ice in there. I might even be adding another bit of ice. So then we're gonna go ahead and pour the butterfly pea flower tea, and you'll notice it goes from blue to kind of a purple color as it mixes with the acid. So
this is so much fun. This was such a fun class. Thank you so much for breaking it down for us. I think the best way to end it is with the nice cheers. So cheers, ladies. Cheers!